Hello students, we are going to discuss about atmospheric stability. What is atmospheric stability? Stability or atmospheric stability refer to air tendency to either rise and create storms or to resist vertical movement. Simplest way to understand how stability works is to imagine a parcel of air having a thin or flexible cover that allows it to expand but prevent the air inside from mixing with the surrounding air. It is true. This is balloon. Next, imagine that we take the balloon and force it up into the atmosphere. What about the air pressure? Air pressure decreases with the altitude. The balloon will relax and expand and its temperature decrease. If the parcel were cooler than the surrounding air, it would be heavier. If allowed to do so, it would sink back down to the ground. This type of air is said to be stable. On the other hand, if we lifted our imaginary balloon and the air within it was warmer and hence less density than its surrounding air, it would continue to rise until it reached a point where its temperature and that of its surrounding were equal. This type of air is classified as unstable. Be clear. One thing is very important here. So, cool air is denser than warm air. Are you clear? Atmosphere classified into two types. One is stable atmosphere, another one unstable atmosphere. What is the difference? Stable atmosphere and unstable atmosphere. Stable atmosphere has weaker mixing in the vertical, whereas unstable atmosphere stronger mixing in the vertical or large amount of mixing in the vertical. Why is this important? Stable atmosphere and unstable atmosphere. A stable atmosphere, already I said, weaker mixing in the vertical. It is associated with the air pollution, fog and strong surface temperature inversion in winter. What is temperature inversion? It is also called thermal inversion, a reverse of the normal behavior of temperature in the troposphere. That is the meaning of the region of the atmosphere nearest the Earth's surface. Second one, unstable atmosphere. Unstable atmosphere is associated with a lot of atmospheric mixing. Why? Because unstable atmosphere has strong mixing in the vertical with a good air quality and sometimes convection or thunderstorm. What is convection? It is a circular motion that happens when warmer air or liquid which has faster moving molecule making it less dense. It rises while the cool air or liquid drop down. It is a major factor in weather. Meteorologists spend a lot of time trying to figure out whether the atmosphere will be stable or unstable. So, whether the atmosphere will be stable, weak mixing in the vertical. Whether the atmosphere will be unstable, stronger mixing in the vertical. We will discuss with one example the stable or unstable situation. If you push something in stable situation, it will return to its original location. If you push something in unstable situation, it will not return to its original location. This is stable or unstable situation. Basic rules of atmospheric stability. Rule number 1. Air parcel temperature is higher than environment temperature. Its density is lesser than the environment. Why? Because from the ideal gas law, density is inversely proportional to temperature. What is the result? That level tends to rise. Rule number 2. Air parcel temperature is equal to environment temperature. What about the density? Density also same. So the result of this case, that level and will stay in position. Rule number 3. Air parcel temperature is lesser than the environment temperature. What about its density? Its density is more than the environment density. As per the ideal gas law, density is inversely proportional to temperature. What is the result here? That level and tends to sink. We will discuss with one example, lead balloon and helium balloon. Why lead balloon sink? Why helium balloon rise? What is the reason? Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon means the temperature is a higher temperature than the environment. The balloon temperature is higher than the environment. What about the density? Density is lesser than the environment. What is the result? That level and tends to rise. Are you clear? So the same concept apply here in the case of lead balloon. Why lead balloon sink? Lead balloon density is higher than the environment. The result, so that level goes to sink or tends to sink. Helium balloon rises. Why? Because helium is less dense or lesser density than the gases in the atmosphere. So from this concept, so we will observe that only one factor is a predominant factor here, that is density. Increase of the density only, the level tends to sink or rise. This is a picture of stable or unstable layer. So first picture shows that unstable layer. From the definition of unstable atmosphere, strong mixing in the vertical. Whereas stable layer, the second picture shows that weak mixing in the vertical. So from this picture, we will identify so which one is a stable or unstable. So in unstable layer, vertical mixing is strong, whereas stable layer, vertical mixing is weak. Lapse rate. What is the use of the lapse rate? With the help of the lapse rate only, stability will be measured. Lapse rate is nothing but, it is the rate at which temperature changes with altitude in the atmosphere. If the lapse rate is positive, the temperature decreases with height. Suppose these values are negative, the temperature increases with height. Thank you for your attention.